Start off by removing all the loose bits. So right now, we're scoring it. Put your knife in there, put some pressure on it, and then just pull down. And if you keep doing that a few times, the piece will just come off. See, it's already starting to bend. So we have taken the damage off, made a big hole in the wall. Now what we need to do is cut this into that shape so it fits perfectly. Now we've cut out the plaster. Go on. And it's perfect. Obviously we're professionals out here. And you should be using a mask for this, but you know, because we're qualified, we don't do this. We cut it out, same shape. Get a good look. We're gonna put some of this around the edge. Do some of this. So as you can see, we have put the tape on it. And now we just have to fill it up with mixture and we are done. So obviously you want to put one layer, wait around 90 minutes to 2 hours, let it dry good. First coat, and then you sand it down a little bit, and then you put another coat. What I'm doing here is I'm spreading the joint filler, and then I use my spatula to spread it nice and smooth. I just need to wait for it to dry, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow. This is what the final product should look like.